What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I haven't been filming a lot for a while, and I was going to put in my new axle shaft here. Yeah. And well, the reason I haven't been making content is been changing jobs and all that stuff, you know, normal everyday stuff, but finally getting around to working on this sack of taters. And well, I just got oil all over my brakes. Well, I'll tear this apart. And well, this is a progress video, update video. And I get all the way in here, and I was like, you know what, I better check all of this stuff. And yeah, we got like a backwoods crack addict with no teeth in there. You know, it's not looking good. It's not pretty. So, needless to say, we won't be wheeling, and I won't probably be making videos for quite some time. I am probably going to have to wait because it looks like it damaged a lot of that buildup in there, and it scarred a lot of the bearing area too. There's a lot of shrapnel. You can see just the chunks sitting down here. And I cleaned a little bit of it out. It's not good. Axle's done. I finally did the dirty 30 in. I kind of wanted it to last a little bit longer. Money's been super tight since I've been trying to finish the funding for the Hemi build, and now I have to buy new axles. And the motto for RecoveryOne is we don't replace, we upgrade. So I've been thinking about getting a Dana 60s on this bad boy and getting rid of the dirty 30s altogether. Bummer. Alright, well, I guess the next video you guys will see will be me installing bigger, beefier axles underneath RecoveryOne. So, I guess until the next video, don't know when that'll be. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you'll probably see me post progress reports of how that's coming along on those. I believe my Instagram is in the link below. Dang it. Alright. But other than that, just looking pretty good. What you think? Jesus. Alright. Stay cool, stay safe. And I'll see you guys, I don't know, in the next video, probably months from now. Peace.